What up, though, that fam? Your boy out here with another video. Today it's not gonna be a usual video. Today we're gonna be doing a day in the life of an Amazon delivery driver. That is what I do. I deliver packages all day. So right now I'm in the delivery van. We pick up the vans at a parking lot close by to the warehouse, and then we drive to the warehouse. So right now I'm driving to the warehouse right now to pick up the packages that I need to deliver throughout the day. So once we get all those packages picked up, we start our route and then just go throughout the day and start delivering. Usually we're in a specific area. I'm currently located in Chandler, in Arizona, but sometimes they'll send me to Levine or they'll send me to Phoenix, Tempe, you know. We'll see. We usually don't know until we pick up. Hopefully it's Levine. I like Levine because there's usually no apartments and I don't have to climb stairs. But so I do work 10-hour shifts. So we start at 6, get back at 4:30. If I finish quicker, then I can come back earlier. But I try to get my 10 hours, you know. It is raining today, so the roads are wet. We are waiting in line to get into the warehouse. As you can see, we're following all these Amazon trucks. The van I'm driving currently kind of looks just like the one in front of us. That one in front of us is a Mercedes up. I'm driving a Ford. Whack. But yeah, I mean, it's an easy job, guys. Nothing to it. At least during the summer I have AC, you know. I know some of these UPS drivers and FedEx drivers don't be having AC in their van. Sorry about that beeping noise. I don't have my seatbelt on. I'm too lazy to put it on. But yeah, we'll get back to you once I'm inside the warehouse, and I'll show you how I organize everything inside the van and what the van kind of looks like. Alright, later. Alright, so we're driving into the warehouse right now. There's usually 3 sections we can park at, either outside or inside. And then if you go inside, there's 2 different sections, door 1 and 2 and door 3 and 4. Usually they give you a paper in the morning telling you where to go. So this is 1 and 2, and we'll be driving to 3 and 4. And then once we're inside, we're just gonna park, and then we're gonna start looking for our route, and then we can start loading up. Alright guys, so we're inside. Now we gotta look for our sheet. We're gonna be looking at the area B, and then we're gonna be looking for row 05. These are all the packages I have for today. Each one is a bag. That's how much are in each bag. So it should be a pretty good day. Alright, so usually we load up. Our first bag goes in the front seat, and we load up our last 3 bags down here because we're gonna load up the next bag on top. So kind of in a row. So. Alright guys, so I have my first bag loaded up already. Up there. And I got my second bag right here. 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, and 7th. That way I can just grab them in order. This one I put in the middle because I can grab it from the inside. Now I'm gonna load up the overflow. I do those last first and the first. Last? No, last. I do the last first and then I do the first last. So the first ones will be in the front. Alright, so by now we're done loading. We're leaving the station. You guys are wondering, how do I know, like, how do I get to my first stops or whatever? Well, they give us a phone, call it a rabbit. I don't know why, but they give us a phone, and on that phone, every stop is loaded onto as a route, 1 through whatever, how many stops you have. So it looks like I have about 80 stops today. So my first stop, it tells me the address, and then it'll be just like a little GPS address sending me to the address. So right now it's saying I'm going to some apartments in Tempe. It says I have about 6 packages at 6 locations. So I guess that's our first stop. And then once we get to our first stop, I'll show you guys what I do, like how I scan them or where I leave them, or whatever. But usually before we even head to our first stop, I like going to like a Circle K or a QT. You know, get something to eat real quick, get something to drink. It is early in the morning, so I haven't eaten breakfast, so I'm hungry. So yeah, let's head to a QT real quick. Got me a muffin, strawberry milk. Why not? It's a good breakfast. So I'm gonna chill for a little bit, eat my breakfast, and then we'll head out to our first route. Alright guys, so I just ate that delicious muffin. Drank all of my strawberry milk. Got my vitamins. Let's start a productive day. I'm on my way to my first stop. About 23 minutes away. So a lot of people were asking me in my last video, not the last video, but the last video, where I told you guys that I got pulled over and they couldn't get me for window tint. So they couldn't give me a ticket for window tint because I have a prescription / permit to have window tint. And the way I got that was by going to my eye doctor. I would go get eye exam, you know, regular eye exam. And then I had asked him if I could get a prescription saying I need window tint because when I drive and the sun is shining in my eyes, it gives me migraines. So he needs window tint for headaches on the doctor's note. And then I took that doctor's note and turned it into the DMV and filed an application for the permit. And then you file the application at the DMV. They don't accept it right away. They'll send you a letter through the mail in about a week saying either you are accepted for the window tint exemption or not. Obviously, I got accepted, so they send you a letter saying whatever vehicles you have registered under your name, you put all the information, and they'll send you a little letter saying this vehicle or these or just that one vehicle is accepted to have window tint. So that way, if they pull you over trying to get you a ticket for window tint, you show them that, and then you should be good. Funny story was the way I found this out was because I had gotten pulled over by an undercover, and he told me that, well, I had told him that I needed the tint for my eyes, but I was just saying that so I wouldn't get a ticket, but obviously he still gave it to me, but he told me, well, you can go to doctors, ask for the no, and then go to the DMV. He pretty much told me the whole process. That way I wouldn't get charged for the ticket, so that's what I did, and yeah, I used it at court, and the case got dismissed. I didn't get a ticket for that window tint. Ever since then, I've had it. But yeah, it's a little trip. That's a little tip for you guys. For all those taquachos out there that have the dark ass windows. I mean, I'm sure. I think on the exemption it says there's a certain limit as like dark you can go in the front. I think it's like 35%. I'm not at 20% right now, but I mean, the only way you'll get a ticket for that is if fucking the cops being a real dick and fucking brings out the tester and shit. But I've never had a problem. I'm not 20%. And I think that's dark enough for me. I mean, I've seen homies with limo. Fuck that. I'm too blind for that shit. I can barely see at night right now. But yeah, guys, that's a little tip for you guys. So something that always happens in Arizona is it barely rains here, right? We're the desert. So when it does rain, people don't know how to fucking drive and they drive fucking slow. God fucking damn it. I'm literally going like fucking 20 miles per hour on the freeway. Fuck me. So 17 minutes away from my first stop. Oh well, fuck. fuck it. I'm getting paid to be in traffic. The only time I like being in traffic. Alright guys, so we finally made it to our first stop. It's an apartment complex. So I showed you guys there were 6 packages, 6 different stops, so there's 6 different apartments I got delivered to. Pretty much I open up the maps and it shows me all the different stops I gotta go to. Each stop has their apartment number or whatever. So I just pretty much go in order, whichever apartment comes up first, and then I deliver it. So there's a little barcode. I scan the barcode, boom, it shows up, tells me either I deliver it to the person, or I deliver it to the door. If I deliver it to the door, I have to take a picture of where I left it. Usually we try to leave packages hidden somewhere kind of bush or something, so like people who walk by don't see them and steal them. We can also label them as nowhere safe to leave, so like obviously you don't feel like the location you're leaving the package at is safe. You write down that and you just bring the package back another day or later on the route. You can also label it as business closed, but that's more like for a business. Or they closed, you can't leave a package outside for business, so label it as business closed. It also gives you the option to call or text the customer, so you can be like, oh, yo, I'm outside your house. Is there somewhere you guys want me to leave it? We'll come back at a different time. That's pretty much it, it's an easy job. Alright guys, so I just finished delivering those 6 packages from this apartment complex. Now we're heading to a second apartment complex, but I kind of like this one better. We're going to be delivering to a hub, or Amazon lockers. So it's like a big machine with a bunch of little openings. And you can just put the packages inside each box instead of having to deliver them door to door. And then the person will get a notification on their phone saying, oh, your package got delivered to the hub. They'll get a code and they can come pick up their package. I like delivering to these because that makes my job easier because I don't have to go looking for these apartment numbers, knocking at people's doors, all that good stuff. I can just go to one place, scan all the packages, and put them in their little cube box. And that's it. So I got 11 packages for this box, or for this hub locker. That should be easy. Let's get it. Okay, so I just got done with my first bag. I'm gonna do my second bag. So we have 21 packages in it. I told you the second bag was gonna be in the middle, so I can just grab it from here. Now I'm gonna step outside and do all that work. So you'll see me pretty much unload that bag. So usually around between half my route, I like to take a 30-minute break. It's mandatory, so you got to take it either way. They'll take it out of your paycheck. So like if I get 100 stops, I'll do it at 50 stops. If I get 35 stops, 15 stops. Today I have 75 stops. I'll do like around 30 and 35 stops, and then I'll take my 30-minute break. Usually I eat lunch or something while out, and then I'll just buy something like QT to munch on and just chill in the van, watch some YouTube videos. But yeah, right now we're at 60 stops, so we still got like 20 more stops to go. Someone is gonna come pick up some packages for me because they finished early. So when someone finishes too early, they usually like sending them to go help other drivers just so they can finish early as well. So like he finished early, he's gonna come help me make my day easier. Today my route wasn't too big anyway, so I'll probably be out like around 2. But yeah, let's keep delivering. What's up guys, I just finished taking my break. 30 minutes, just chilled, I wasn't hungry. Still full from that muffin in the morning. But as you can see, got a little bit hotter already, so I took off my jacket. Got my uniform. Got my vest. You don't have to wear the vest. It's optional. I just wear it. So guys, I just finished my route. It's about to be 2. Heading back to the station where I picked up the van. The parking lot, pretty much. At the parking lot where we meet up in the mornings. Now all that's left to do is turn in the keys, turn in the phone, clock out, and go home. That's it, guys. That's a day in the life of an Amazon driver. Pretty easy, nothing hard. Pretty sure being UPS driver or FedEx driver is similar. Obviously, they have maybe bigger packages, or they have to pick up. Because we don't do pickups. All we do is deliver. So we don't pick up anything they're shipping out. All we do is deliver. So yeah, we only had 1 package come back today. Business was closed, so marked it as a business closed. Gotta bring it back. But yeah, pretty chill day, guys. Nothing too hard. It was raining towards the morning, towards the afternoon it stopped raining. But yeah, now time just to go home and chill, edit this video. Stay tuned to the end. We'll be shouting out a couple of you guys who finished to the end of my last video. Told you guys to comment down below, #DopeThatFam, and I will give you guys a shout out. So everyone who did that, appreciate you guys. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And yeah, catch you guys in the next video. Back up the truck. Time to go home. Never get tired of this interior. Still need to finish it. I've been slacking.